I can feel it.
Bali, topping the list of most seeked honeymoon destinations, all for solo traveling. And I am one of those who wanted to visit Bali from core of my heart. I really had a great time there. Crystal clear beaches, active volcanoes, cultural traditions, local cuisine, and a rich coffee and tea plantation. There is nothing which Bali can't give you. So here I am to guide you your first trip to Bali, or I can say a 6-day itinerary to get most of Bali. Hi everyone, this is Saachi Goyal and welcome back to my channel Dirty Shoes. Well, my journey to Bali starts from New Delhi and it took me around 5 hours to reach Kuala Lumpur airport where we had an overlay of 3 hours and then again 3 hours from Kuala Lumpur to Denpasar, Bali. In total, it took me around 11 hours from Delhi to Bali. So after reaching Bali, we checked in our hotel Holiday Inn in Kuta and then we left to Banoea Harbour for Bounty Cruise to spend a relaxing evening. So here is the day 1 of 6 days itinerary at Bounty Cruise.
On my own, but it's
Well, the cruise starts with warm welcome with some drinks by these beautiful ladies and there are so many performances like live music, Balinese dance performance, magic shows and of course the beautiful views.
cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you are gone. Don't hesitate to call me back. Cause I won't.
So it's like 3 to 4 hours cruise which take you around the ocean from Banoea Harbour to some beach. Well, it's a good option to start your trip. So for day 2, we again go to this Banoea Harbour in the morning. We did some water activities like jet ski, banana boat ride, bumping boat. So Bali is the place I did water activities for the first time.
I won't look back.
So after that we went to Nusa Dua and had an amazing time taking Balinese spa and it is much recommended thing to do when you are in Bali. So on day 3 we left for Gili Islands from Padong Harbour. Well, Gili Islands are the group of islands near to Bali which are famous for its gorgeous beaches.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
So from Padong you need to book a fast boat which will take you across this blue ocean and drop you to the Gili Island via fast boat in around 2 hours. Well, an interesting thing to note that it's a non-motorable island means you have to ride a horse cart or rent a cycle to explore the island, which is the most fun part of it. We stayed in Ombak Sunset Villas. It's such a beautiful place to stay in. Big halls and open washrooms as a tradition in Bali. Nice to experience.
I've been stuck on a memory, but it's not.
And the day we reached Gili Trawagan Island, we spent a relaxing evening watching sunset and just hanging around in a resort.
Have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
rented a cycle and explored the rest of the island on our own, explored some local cuisine and did some local shopping, and it was really a fun day.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus.
On day 5, we came back to mainland by afternoon, and then we went to see Uluwatu Temple, which is a kind of symbolism to Bali, and tried some local fruit chaat and met some local crowd, and yeah, we really enjoyed the time in Uluwatu Temple. On day 6, we went to see this local play called Barong dance, which is quite interesting. It reminds me of Ramayan when Ravan kidnapped Sita, but above all, the play was really nice and we enjoyed how the things compensate to be. And then after this amazing play, we went to the Celuk village. And who don't know, Bali is famous for its gold and silver purity, art of work, and slightly cheap rates. So if you are a gold digger, then come here. After that, we left for Kintamani village to witness a live volcano, but in between we stopped to see how coffee plantation is done exactly. And
Now in here we produce for hot chocolate, also for chocolate bar. This is ginseng. Like red.
When there's no hope, I didn't chance conceal it deep down. I felt for you. Oh, I regret.
the raw coffee and we are roasting it over the chula.
I can't go back to walking through all the dust, memories and frame a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll.
So after acquiring so much knowledge about coffee plantation, there are we tasting them all.
You make me feel so crazy. My heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope, loving for you
after tasting these different varieties of coffee and tea, we left for Mount Batur, which is an active volcano and for sure will give you some spectacular views.
We simply let be, but I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you.
So that's the 6-day itinerary you can follow if you're planning to go to Bali. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, please consider subscribing to my channel and comment below which part of Bali or which part from this itinerary you like the most. And thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.